您好，同学们。Today we will learn vocabulary from lesson 1 with the help of examples. 我们来就开始吧。Let's get started. Number 1, 你 that means you. Okay, let's learn from the example. Example number 1, 你好吗？你好吗？你 means you. 好 means good. Ma is a question particle, so that will make a question. So it is a question to ask your well-being. How are you? How are you? 你好吗？你好吗？ Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say the sentence. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Once again. 很好，你好吗？你好吗？ That means how are you? Now look at example number 2. 你最近怎么样？你最近怎么样？ That means how have you been recently? 你 means you. 你 means you. 最近means recently, आजभोलि. 最近 means recently. 怎么样 it is a common phrase, so it means how is it going or how are you doing. So 你最近怎么样？你最近怎么样？ How have you been recently? And this is also another way to ask how are you. Okay, now it's your turn to say the example number 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 开始. Once again. 很好，你最近怎么样？你最近怎么样？ That means how have you been recently? Number 2, 好 that means good. Okay, look at example number 1. 你真好，你真好。你 means we just learned. 你 means you. 真 here means really. 真 means really. 好 means good. 好 means good. So the whole sentence means you are really good. You are really good. 你真好。 Okay, now 同学们 now it's your turn to say the example number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 开始. Once again. 很好，你真好，你真好。 Okay, look at example number 2. 好吃，好吃。 Here 好 means good. 吃 here means it is a verb that means to eat. So it means it's so tasty or tasty. 好吃，好吃。 Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say the example number 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 开始. Once again. 很好，好吃，好吃. That means tasty. Okay, look at example number 3. 好听，好听. Here 好 means good. 听 means to listen or hear. So it means it sounds good. It sounds good. 好听，好听. Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say the example number 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 开始. Once again. 很好，好听，好听. That means sounds good. Number 3, 学生学生学生 that means student. Look at example number 1. 我是学生我是学生 Here 我 means I. 是 here means is, am or are. 学生 means student. So the whole sentence means I am a student. I am a student. 我是学生我是学生 Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say the example number 1. Ready? 1、2、3开始 Once again 很好我是学生 Okay, look at example number 2. 他是好学生他是好学生 Here 他 means here it is he. 是 means is, am or are. How means we already learned. How means good. 学生 here means student. So the whole sentence means he is a good student. 他是好学生他是好学生 Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say the example number 2. Ready? 1、2、3开始 Once again 很好他是好学生他是好学生 Number 4. 老师 that means teacher. Look at the example. 谢谢老师 Here 谢谢 means thank you. 老师 means teacher. So the whole sentence means thank you teacher. 谢谢老师 Look at example number 2. 老师好 that means hello teacher. So it is a way to greet your teacher. 老师好 Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say example number 1 and example number 2. Ready? 1、2、3开始 Example number 2. 很好谢谢谢谢老师 and 老师好 Number 5. 再见 Once again 再见 That means bye bye. Look at example number 1. 再见朋友再见朋友再见 means bye. 朋友 here means friend, sathi. 再见朋友 means bye bye friend. Example number 2. 明天见 Once again 明天见 Here 明天 means tomorrow. 明天 means tomorrow. For today we say 今天明天 means tomorrow. 见 here means to see or to meet. 见 means to see or to meet. So the whole sentence means see you tomorrow. 明天见 Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say example 1 and example 2. Ready? 1、2、3开始 Example number 2. 很好再见朋友 and 明天见 Number 6. So now we will learn about the greetings. 问候. Okay, follow with me. 早上好，早上好. Once again, 早上好，早上好. That means good morning. Okay, look at example number 1. 早上好，妈妈。早上好，妈妈. Here, 早上 means good morning. Mama here means mother. So the whole sentence means good morning, mother. Look at example number 2. 早上好，老师。早上好，老师。早上好 means good morning. 老师 we just learned. 老师 means teacher. So the whole sentence means good morning, teacher. 早上好，老师。Okay, 同学们 now it's your turn to say example 1 and example 2. Okay, ready? 1、2、3，开始。Example number 2. 很好，谢谢。Once again, 早上好，妈妈。早上好，老师。Number 7. 下午好，下午好。That means good afternoon. Once again, 下午好，下午好。Okay, look at example 1. 下午好，爸爸。下午好，爸爸。Here, 下午好 means good afternoon. Papa here means father. So the whole sentence means good afternoon, father. 下午好，爸爸. Look at example number 2. 老师，下午好。老师，下午好。Here, 老师 means teacher. 下午好 means good afternoon. So the whole sentence means teacher, good afternoon. Okay, now 同学们 now it's your turn to say example 1 and after that example 2. Ready? 1、2、3，开始。Example number 2. 很好，下午好，爸爸。老师，下午好。Next word is 晚上好. Okay, repeat after me. 晚上好，晚上好. That means good evening. Once again, 晚上好. Okay, look at example 1. 晚上好，爸爸。晚上好，爸爸。晚上好 means good evening. Papa here means father. Good evening, father. Look at example number 2. 老师，晚上好。老师，晚上好. That means good evening, teacher. Now last word, 晚安. Follow with me. 晚安，晚安. All together, 晚安，晚安. That means good night. Look at example number 1. 晚安，爸爸。晚安，爸爸。晚安 means good night. Papa here means father. Good night, father. 晚安，爸爸. Example number 2. 晚安，妈妈。晚安，妈妈. 晚安 means good night. Mama means mother. So the whole sentence means good night, mother. 晚安，妈妈. Okay, 同学们, now it's your turn to say example 1 first, and after that example number 2. Ready? 1、2、3，开始。Example number 2. 很好，谢谢。晚安，爸爸。晚安，妈妈。Okay, 同学们, that's all for today. I hope this video finds you very helpful. Okay, 同学们，谢谢，再见。